Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with OneDrive OAuth for iOS apps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Xcode project for your iOS app. Ensure you have the necessary libraries installed for OAuth authentication. Visit the Azure portal and log in to your account. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the sidebar. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Fill in the application name and set the redirect URI. For iOS apps, use the format auth your bundle ID //auth. After registration, note the application, client, ID. Now, go to Certificates and Secrets. Create a new client secret and take note of its value. Next, navigate to API Permissions. Add permissions for Microsoft Graph API. Ensure you include permissions like files.readwrite and offline_access. Save your changes and head back to your Xcode project. Import the necessary authentication libraries in your project. In your appsinfo.plist, add your redirect URI for the OAuth process. Initialize your OAuth client with the client ID and redirect URI. Implement the authorization flow in your app using the built-in WebView or custom URL scheme. Prompt the user to sign in with their Microsoft account. After the user authenticates, your app will handle the response. Extract the authorization code from the response URL. Exchange the authorization code for an access token using a POST request. Attach this access token to your API requests to OneDrive. Test the integration to ensure everything is functioning correctly. That's it. You have successfully authorized your iOS app with OneDrive using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.